Processes are everywhere. To even survive in today's ultra-competitive environment, companies are compelled to automate those processes. But how to do so in a cost-effective and sustainable way? Empowering business users, enabling IT professionals, in addition to equipping your user community, all these are key. But insufficient if you don't build that solution on a solid and sustainable foundation. So, where's a good place to get going? How about selecting which technologies to invest in? Well, at least there are no lack of choices out there. Can you pick the right ones and get the qualified people? How about going with a software development tool? Keep in mind they are all designed to do a specific function. No joke, this is but a sample of what's out there. A year from now, how many of these will still be around? The risks and costs, known and unknown, go on and on and on.